Hi friends, now I'm going to show you how to make quickly and easily the usual OBS built-in transitions and also downloaded animated transitions for your scenes. The first thing we need is the Scene Transitions window. If you don't have this window, no problem. Go to the top of OBS Docs tab and activate Scene Transitions. Alright, let's start by looking at the standard transitions. Let's use the fade effect as an example. We select it and set the duration. Now when switching scenes, we have a smooth transition between them. This is all cool, but want something more unique and unusual. To do this, download ready-made transitions in the description under the video, and now I will show you how to install them. Click on the plus sign in Scene Transitions. Select Stinger. Click on the Browse button and choose your favorite transition. I'm going to choose this one for this example. As you can see, we have a wide video. On the left is how it will be displayed for viewers, and on the right is a black and white mask for OBS, so that the program understands how to cut the video when transitioning to the scene. I hope I've explained it clearly. Then we go a little lower and activate the item. Use a track mat. Here we need to select the first item, since we have the video on the left and the video mask on the right. Let's see if everything is working correctly by clicking on the Preview Transition button. Great, our mask is working correctly. Now let's see how it looks on my scenes. Great. Let's set up some more transition. We're going to choose something new. We're going to leave the settings the same because in all the videos the mask is on the right, and it's still working just fine. Now let's look at the next type of transition. As you can see, there's only a black and white mask. Let's select any of the transitions, and I'll show you how it works. For black and white video transitions, we need to select mask only. Let's select that, and let's see how it looks. Great, it works great. Also, as a bonus, I want to show you how to make a transition to appear or hide a specific element in the scene, using this camera as an example. As you can see, when I turn it on or off, it smoothly moves to the side. To realize this, we need to right-click on the desired object. We have two tabs: Show and Hide Transition. Set the necessary animations for them, and everything will work perfectly. If this video was useful for you, please like and subscribe to the channel. I will be very grateful to you, and good luck to you.